Welcome to Great Bear Tales, an authentic look at the people, places, and stories of the Great Bear Rainforest. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. A majestic seascape, humpback, and killer whales. Mighty grizzly on the prowl. A Kermode bear fishing for coho salmon. British Columbia's Great Bear Rainforest. Otherworldly wildlife, one of the most pristine ecosystems left on Earth.
Hello, how are you? We call ourselves Sua, and Sua means sucker.
Traditional territory of coastal First Nations, the Great Bear holds more than 10,000 years of Indigenous history and culture. A place where land and sea meet the soul, and rugged Pacific Coast beauty captures it all. Where the dip of a paddle breaks the stillness of calm glass-like water, or footsteps through the rainforest reveal an inherent beauty. An experience like none other awaits in remote villages, secluded bays, and in the heart and lungs of the rainforest.
Gorgeous fish. We're gonna let them go. Let's go them back in the water.
Whether by sail, ferry, boat, river dory, or stand-up paddleboard, take the journey of a lifetime deep into the Great Bear Rainforest. Thanks for watching Great Bear Tales. If you have any comments, questions, tips for visitors, or just want to share your own story from the Great Bear Rainforest, please leave them below. We read every post. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Great Bear Tales channel. It really does make a difference.